everyone and welcome to Lisa B. Thank you for joining me. Today we are doing 10 minutes of abs of steel. It's going to be amazing. You're going to feel strong at the end of it. So it's a little bit of an interval, so 1 minute on, 10 seconds off. We've got 10 exercises, everything can be modified and you're good to go. Repeat this exercise, repeat this whole video, this whole routine 2 or 3 times to get a little bit of an extra burn, but once is fine. It is pretty challenging, but yeah, hope you enjoy it. Let's get started. So let's press my timer. So we've got 1 minute of plank. Let's get straight into it. So either do a high plank or forearm plank if you get any wrist pain. It's really common, wrist pain, so modify it if you want to by going up into a plank and then dropping one knee or both knees. Knees are further back than the hips. So let's go for 1 minute. Pull the belly in, wrists under shoulders. So try not to be in down dog, make sure the body is parallel to the floor. Really pull the belly in towards the spine. And imagine spreading the shoulder blades apart, lift the kneecaps, push through the heels. And remember to breathe, don't hold the breath. Holding the breath for a minute in plank would be pretty challenging, a bad idea actually. So remember to breathe in through the nose, out through the mouth, pulling the belly in. And remember, one knee can be down or both knees can be down. Straighten the arms a little bit, push the belly in a little bit more. First minute done. So this is going to go pretty quick. So 1 minute of obliques. So feet can be down, so take an inhale, exhale, lift. So you're just lifting the shoulders up and over, or add the legs. So you're reaching across to that bent knee. You should be looking at the thighs the whole time, not the ceiling, because you'll hurt your neck. Keep the elbows wide. Keep pulling the belly in, so pull the tummy muscles in towards the spine. Lower back should feel like it's into the mat. So this is a really good little routine to do too, just on its own, or you could add it on the end of one of my other videos. But this might be enough for you today. You might do it maybe after a run or something else, or some cardio. And down. So we've got next is single leg drops. So head stays down, hands by the hips, drop the shoulders, take an inhale, exhale, belly in, straighten the legs, heels apart, toes together. Activate your quads, so just lowering one leg down, belly is in, so keep pulling the belly in, lower back isn't coming off the mat. Got my new socks on today. Not gonna lie, I'm a little bit excited about my new socks. It's the little things in life. Keep the shoulders relaxed. Don't worry if you forgot about your core, keep pulling the belly in towards the spine. This should feel pretty challenging. Modify it by bending the knees, tapping one leg down. Hips are nice and still, no movement in the pelvis. And come up. So hip dips in side plank. Hip dips in full plank, I mean. So forearm plank, bring the knees off the mat, and you could be doing dips from side to side, so rotating the pelvis. So I always feel like I have to walk the feet forward on this. I'm walking the feet forward as I dip the hips. You should be really feeling this in your obliques, in the side of the abs. I don't know how you guys feel. I don't know if you're walking your feet forward as well. But I see some people doing it and they're not walking their feet forward and I can't work it out. Make sure your elbows are under your shoulders. I always feel like this is quite a long minute of these hip dips. And down, then we're going to do a 30-second side plank hold. So I'm going to look at my timer for this. So you can do forearm or full side. I'm going to go full, arm up. And again, this can be modified, bottom knee down. So we're doing 30 seconds on each side. Really pull the tummy muscles in, lift the hips. And again, breathe in. Legs are straight, you're on the side of your feet here. Not gonna lie, I'm praying for these first 30 seconds to be up. Second side, let's get into it quickly. And again, one of these little exercises, have a little smile on your face. I feel like it makes the exercise go a bit quicker. Or maybe that's just me. Pull the belly in. Breathe. 7 seconds left. And done. Oof, that was quite a lot. Right, so the next exercise is 1 minute crunch with double toe tap. Legs in tabletop. So we're going to crunch in, knees come in, tap the toes down, crunch in, tap. Exhale as you lift. Really pull the belly button in as you crunch forward. Keep the elbows wide. Lifting the shoulders off the mat. So this is just 10 minutes today. This is just a little 10-minute session. Everyone can fit 10 minutes into the day. There's no excuses not to be able to fit 10 minutes into your day somewhere in your 24 hours in that day. You can just get this little workout done. So the next exercise is reverse curl. Reverse curl with leg lift. So hands down, use your triceps. So lift the hips up and back. Lower the legs, push them out, bring the knees in, and lift. Modify this by crossing the ankles and just doing this curl. Keep the knees bent, that's the modification. But try and do the full exercise. Oh my God, something just fell off my sock into my eye. What are the odds of that happening? I think it's still in my eye. Okay, I'm just gonna get through it. There's something in my eye, but I'm gonna get through it. Exhale as you lift. Keep the shoulders relaxed. Push the hands into the mat. So use your triceps here as well. I feel like you're doing really well. I feel like you're sticking with me and your abs are on fire. Next exercise is we've got double leg drop. Whew. So feet together. You're just going to lower as much as you can without the lower back coming off the mat. So this is really a lot of the lower abs, that little pouch kind of thing that we don't really want. Or you want to try and flatten a little bit. Pulling your belly button in towards your spine. Keeping the legs straight. But you might only go an inch, that might be enough. Or you might be able to go a little bit lower, but nothing in the lower back here, all in the abs. Breathe. Inhale down, exhale up. Really feeling this in my abs and in my thighs as well a little bit. Next exercise, so we've got 30-second side plank with knee in crunch. Oh, that will make sense. So come up onto the forearm, come up and extend the leg. We'll do 30 seconds on each side. So my bottom knee is down at the moment, but you can come up full side plank, knee in. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go to the other side. Forearm, bottom knee can be down, or lift the hips. Exhale in. Make sure you've placed your elbow under your shoulder. Keep the neck long, so make sure the head doesn't fall onto the shoulder like that. Really pull in the belly in, exhale. Last exercise, jazz hands. Oh, I never do jazz hands. Right, so right leg straight, left hand behind the head, left leg bent. Exhale up, keep this right leg straight the whole time. Aim the elbow across, not the elbow, aim the shoulder across, not the elbow. Exhale, lift. Let's do 5 more on this side, then we'll swap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Swap over, left leg straight. Really pull the belly in as you lift. We're good, we're on schedule. We are done. I don't know what that ooh was all about. Kind of sounded a little bit like a bird. Let's just stop that. Oh, so I hope you're feeling good. I hope you feel a little bit of heat in the ab region. Please subscribe, share this with your friends. Yeah, hit the subscribe button. Let me know what you think. Let me know where you're watching this from. I'm always quite interested in that. And yeah, I hope you have a beautiful day, and I hope to see you soon.